What you guys, got another rogue removal video here for you. This one, another one that's doing a rounds called Windows Expert Console, and I'll show you what it looks like once you click on it. Now once you click on this, it could come as an attachment or a download link or something like that. When you click on it, it will start to install like so. Once it starts to install, it should shut the PC down like so. And then Windows will start to load up again. And once Windows loads up, it will start to load up again, and then you will lose all taskbar, start bar. You won't be able to do anything. And this is exactly what it's going to look like, exactly like this. There'll be nothing here but a black screen, and the actual rogue will be running. Now this actually runs in safe mode with networking. But you can get into safe mode with command prompt and this won't run, but obviously you won't be able to download any files, okay? So you need to make sure that you've used either another computer to download those files to run them if you wish. But I'll show you a way to get around it if you haven't got another computer, and you can edit the registry, okay, to remove this. Now what it wants you to do is click on activate here, and then it wants you to pay for it, okay? Never pay for these types of things. As you can see, it's quite expensive and it is a fake and it's a scam. They're going to scam you out your money, so never give them your details or anything like that, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to reboot into safe mode with command prompt, and if you don't know how to do that, the instructions should be on the screen right now. So I was tapping F8 on the keyboard, and now we're at the advanced boot options. What we need to do here is come down to where it says safe mode with command prompt. I'm going to hit that and let it load in. Okay, so now we're at the safe mode with command prompt. We need to type here Explorer, like so. And now we've got our desktop. As you can see, we can now access our machine. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to quickly go to computer, C drive, and I'm just going to go to organize here, folder and search options, and make sure that we're showing hidden files, folders and drives. And I'm going to take the tick out of hide extensions for known file types. Once you go into users here, and then the account that's infected, then AppData, as usual, it's in the roaming folder, and these are the two files here, okay? We need to remove these files. So they're now gone. Inside the local folder, we're just going to go into the temp folder here, and we're just going to remove everything in here. I'm just not going to remove the VirtualBox guest additions. And that's that. So we can close that off. What we need to do next is go to the start button, and then we're going to open up the Registry Editor. I'm going to type regedit and then click on the Registry Editor. Now we want to go to HKey current user, software, then Microsoft. Just take your time and then come all the way down to where it says Windows NT. Let me just pull that across here so you can see Windows NT, and then current version, that should say. Let me just show you that. Current version, and then Winlogon. This is the one here. Okay, let me just try to open this picture up here so you can see this a bit better. Okay, so there you can see now we're in the Winlogon area, and you can see this file here, and that was relating to the roaming folder, as you can see, the shell, okay, and that's what we need to delete. I'm going to delete that. Okay, let's check the Windows directory just above it, and then current version. And then I'm just going to check run to make sure that's nothing in there. Okay, we can close that off. So next we want to go to HKey local machine, then software, then Microsoft. Come down to where it says Windows NT, then current version. And you can probably boot to the desktop and run Malwarebytes at this stage, but I just want to remove this myself. We're going to go to image file execution options here, and you can see two entries for msseces.exe, and also we've got the msmpeng.exe. These two can be deleted. Just going to check the run area here. Winlogon, make sure that's okay. Everything's okay here now. Just going to check the run area. It should be okay. Okay, everything's okay there. So I think we're done here now, so we can reboot the system back to the desktop. So I'm just going to close these off, work my way back like so, and then we're going to shut that off and then reboot our system. So let's restart. Just let this load in. There we are back at the desktop. So your next thing you want to do is get yourself a copy of Malwarebytes. It's a free program you can download. So we're just going to type Malwarebytes here and get the free version. Download this. Now the pro version is very little money, and it will save you from getting infected with these type of infections. So the pro version would be worth a look if you're getting these all the time. Okay, I'm just gonna accept these agreements here and run a scan with Malwarebytes. Don't want to enable the pro version. I'm just gonna quickly run a scan here. And again, you can run Hitman Pro after this. If you've got other infections, you will need to run other scans as well. But if it's just this one, you should be okay. So I'm just going to quickly check for updates and then run a quick scan. Okay, that's the scan nearly finished. And as you can see, we're clean and free of that nasty rogue. Now you can run Hitman Pro and other programs like that if you wish, just to make sure the system's fully clean, but you should be good to go and you should be back up and running. So I hope this helps you out, guys. So that's basically how you remove the Windows Expert Console Rogue from your system for free. So I hope this really does help you out, guys. Remember, when working in the registry, take real care. Always back up your data before making any changes to the registry. In case something goes wrong, I take no responsibility for that. So I hope this helps you out. If it does help you out, then hit the like button, guys. It really does help me out. And also hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up to date when I upload new videos. So thanks again for watching, guys. Thanks again for your support. Bye for now.